Okay, so I have Lexmoto SK125-22. I'm very low on fuel on purpose as I'm trying to see my fuel level is correctly measured. But looking inside, there is nothing there whatsoever. I mean, if I just tiny bit splash my tank, you can see there's barely anything in there. So really not much in there, but once I actually put the fuel cap back on and I turn it on my instrument panel, it shows that I have a half tank. Half tank, really? I don't believe it. So the only one way for me to find out so far is obviously try to run out of fuel, and once I run out of fuel I will see, or it shows me that I have more than empty tank. So maybe this time when I'm gonna ride it I'm gonna run out of fuel, but I'm doing that on purpose just to check how my fuel indicator is correct. It is very frozen weather. Let's see how I'm gonna make it. As you can clearly see, my motorcycle shows the emergency burn, which just means I run out of fuel. If you ever do that, you can set up this little thing all the way up, and that way you're gonna have emergency fuel supply to make the petrol station. Let's see how much my tank will take. Okay, so my fuel tank is completely empty. No way. No ending story, is it? Okay. 12 liters 83, nice. Let's get down, bro. And let's have a look how long that's gonna last, for how many miles. Okay, so it does seem that one bar is around 100 miles. As I'm currently 2 bars down, nearly 200 miles. That's a good value out of this bike for the petrol per mile, for sure. Oh yeah. So currently I'm on 2 bars, and not that long time ago I was a half of a tank, but recently I just noticed that it was flashing as emergency switch. Okay, something's wrong with the bike again. And I pretty much run out of fuel because the motorcycle doesn't ride anymore. But the fuel gauge is still showing 2 bars, and occasionally was flashing an emergency. Let's have a look what's inside. Hey, there is definitely something in there. So obviously, is either fuel gauge is not working correctly, or there's something wrong with the motorcycle. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to make it to petrol station by turning this fuel gauge from on to off to reserve. Okay, so this is my reserve, and it should essentially give me the last bits of fuel, just enough to make the petrol station. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so my fuel is only 2 bars, but in reality it's on the emergency. Let's try to start the motorcycle then. Hey, there you go, now it's flashing to emergency. Okay, I engage my reserve. Oh no, good news. Okay, this doesn't working. Not good. Let's try Kickstarter. Okay, so for Kickstarter, turn my motorcycle on the first gear. You do a bit of a push down the hill. Right, ready, steady. And go for it. Go, fuel reserve, you can do it. Okay, 279 miles. It seems like the max what a motorcycle could do. Right, 13 litres, 1535, and that seems like max what my motorcycle could take it. So 13 litres, 1535. Lexmoto Venom SK125-22.